Gelatin desserts are sweet, refreshing, and what is the most important? Really good looking. So we are inviting you to see the making of some really extraordinary gelatin cakes that are definitely sugary art. To make these cakes, the artist uses custom-made gelatin tools to achieve the desired shapes, just as these beautiful gelatin roses. Using different colors to make them even prettier. These jelly desserts are made by creating shapes in high-quality gelatin, and they are fruit-flavored. Yum, right? We can't really choose between all these pretty flowers. Do you have a favorite? Now that all our flowers are ready, it's time to assemble them in a big bowl, pouring some clear gelatin first and then the flour jelly one by one. Absolutely stunning! Let's continue making some more goodies, 'cause we are enjoying them a lot. I mean, look at this perfect royal blue. Assembling the little jelly flower cakes in a whole cake using creamy gelatin. This cake is looking so sweet with a pure tropical taste and beautiful. And let's not forget about the colors. Simply mesmerizing. Our last idea is named Stingrays on Sand, a creamy chocolate-flavored gelatin cake. The artist makes some customized molds to create gelatin decorations. That's a lot of details indeed. Some seashells should not miss, definitely. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? We definitely can't choose a favorite gelatin cake. They're all masterpieces in itself.